Shut up. Never call me that again. Why? Because
Did it film me?
No.
hate it. Leave me alone. Why do you hate it? Just don't call me. Stop.
I'm not filming you.
I'll send you a big one. Not even that.
I'm not gonna film
I
anyone.
don't know. You don't stop
Can I
saying
film your body?
no.
No.
Just
Oh my.
don't. Hey. Try the triple cocoa.
Yeah, it's only just feeding her.
What is up with you guys taking so many videos of dogs? They don't seem like it's fun.
No, this is my first video since. Well, no, my second. I didn't even upload that one. Don't worry, Joe. You're not gonna be in there.
I just don't see what the deal is. I mean, if he was, like, I don't know, doing something cool, but they're just doing what normal dogs do.
Don't film me.
You had lunch.
Why did you tell him that?
What?
Dude, I was just sitting down.
We're done.
No, we're not.
Sorry, I forgot.
Hey. Ah, dang it! He got right out of my hand. Riley, sit. Up here comes Coco. Videotape real quick.
No.
Whose channel you want this on? Which one? Is this one info or angry puppy?
Where'd y'all get those batteries? Those are mine.
No, they're not. Stop lying. Get this. Hey.
Mine.
Ow! Ow!